Lenny, Maya, and Josephine go fishing by the river. The sun was just peeking over the horizon when I, Lenny, gathered my friends for our big fishing trip. Josephine, the tiny gray kitten, was bouncing around my feet, her whiskers twitching with excitement. Maya, the fluffy white bunny, hopped alongside her, her nose wiggling in anticipation. And then there was Jonathan, the farm boy, with his sun-kissed hair and a friendly grin that made everything feel possible. Today was our chance to escape the chores of the farm and enjoy some freedom. We headed to the old pound at the edge of the woods. The water shimmered like glass, and I could already picture the fish swimming beneath the surface. Jonathan had promised to show us the best spots, and I could hardly contain my excitement. The kitten pawed at the grass while Maya sniffed the air, searching for adventure. It felt like the perfect day, just us, the sun, and our hopes for a big catch. As we settled down by the water, Jonathan handed us our fishing poles. Just wait for a tug, he said, leaning back against a tree. Josephine, however, had other plans. She was more interested in chasing dragonflies than sitting still. I laughed as she pounced and tumbled, her little paws flailing in the air. Maya rolled her eyes but joined in, hopping after her friend. Flailing and squeaking. Oh, I couldn't help but laugh, even as I waited to pull them out. Just when I thought it was all a silly mess, I noticed something shimmering beneath the surface. My eyes widened. It was a treasure chest. Once we dragged Josephine and Maya back to shore, I pointed excitedly. Look, we all stared in disbelief. Jonathan and I carefully pulled the chest out, and with a collective breath, we opened it. Inside was a collection of old coins and trinkets, sparkling in the sunlight. Our fishing trip had turned into a treasure hunt. That day we didn't just make memories, we found something special that will remind us of our adventures for years to come. The sound of their laughter filled the air, and it felt like nothing could spoil our fun. But then something unexpected happened. A loud splash startled us. We turned to see a large fish jumping out of the water, twisting in the air before splattering back down. My heart raced. Did you see that? I shouted. Jonathan grinned. Looks like we're in luck. He grabbed his pole and cast it into the water. Just as he did, Josephine caught up in the moment leaped toward the pond. She landed right in the water with a surprised yowl. In a flash, Maya hopped in after her friend. Josephine, hold on. I was stunned. My friends were now in the water, flailing and squeaking. Oh, now I couldn't help but laugh. Even as I waited to pull them out. Just when I thought it was all a silly mess, I noticed something shimmering beneath the surface. My eyes widened. It was a treasure chest. This is great. I have to do it once again. I hope you like our stories and